Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors. I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this that's just come in, this lovely 22 plate Bentley Bentayga V8S. Now, we helped supply this vehicle from brand new. So costing brand new, this was £210,000. Now 47,000 of that is in factory option. So this is a mega specification car. Now when we had a look on sale, there was only 2 other cars on sale in the country with this sort of specification, so a very rare car. Now externally, granite grey, which is a very desirable colour for these cars. Full exterior Blackline Specification, which is basically your black package. So all the centre grills, the lower grills, your headlamp surrounds, they're all in the gloss black. Coming through to the sides then, all your window surrounds, your roof bars, your lower environments, they're all in the gloss black. Factory option of the privacy glass, that's a separate option. Full Mulliner Driving Specification, so you get these stunning 22-inch alloy wheels, diamond turned multi-spokes with the gloss black detailing, bright Bentley badging just behind the calipers there, V8 badging. What a stunning looking car. Now coming through to the back, we've got sports exhaust on this one, so flicking into sport mode, it changes the grumble of the exhaust. It sounds absolutely ace. Now this is a very everyday usable car, but it's also got that sporty DNA. So we've got the dynamic ride on this one as well, which basically gives you the magnetic ride. Flicking into sport mode, it becomes a different beast. Coming through inside then, some very nice options. So we've got the hand cross stitching all throughout the vehicle, lovely beluga black and light linen leather sport seats. I think you'll agree that looks ace. Looking through to the back, those lovely seats follow through. You get this nice little screen in the back as well. That actually pops out and you can use that as an iPad. On there for the rear seats, you've got your seat heating, all your blinds, your climate settings. Quite a smart little feature that. We've got 7 seats on this one as well, that's why this seat is slightly forward. So as you can tell, you've got the seating in the back. What I like about these cars is everything's absolutely fully electric. So seats are electric, press the button, they glide down. Everything's very easy to use, can all be done with one hand. Electric tailgate. As you can tell, loads of luggage space there. We've got the parcel shelf in the office, just took that out for demonstration purposes. Trickle charger if you're not looking to use this car for daily use. Adjustable suspension, obviously we're riding on air suspension here, so you can raise and lower the suspension at the back just for ease of access and putting things in. And then lastly, just before we finish the video, I'll jump inside, get out of this miserable weather and show you some more of this specification. So, virtual cockpit, leather multifunction steering wheel. This is a dual tone with heating, so a heated steering wheel, quite a nice option. Coming through to the centre, obviously everything that you'd expect on a car of this calibre, so satellite navigation, DAB radio, full phone connectivity, Bluetooth phone as well. But then you've got those lovely options that you look for. So we've got the touring specification, so that's your head-up display. You've got night vision on this one as well, so it basically easier to view things in the night. You've got the heat sensors there as well, so it'll pick up people walking past, cars driving past. You've also got adaptive front cruise, lane keeping aid, so all of those aids that you look for, it's got. But a lovely looking car inside. So black veneers all throughout the vehicle, linen centres, beluga black outers, and the lovely contrast all throughout the car. You've got the sports suspension, as I mentioned before, heated and cooling seats. These are massaging seats as well, so as you can imagine, makes journeys very comfortable. full panoramic glass roof, opening, tilting with the power blind, and obviously from that little screen in the back you can control the power blind, so if you want to close it or open it you can do. Memory seats, memory steering wheel, memory mirrors, blind spot monitoring system, the list goes on. So if you'd like any more information on the car, like I said, we helped order this vehicle from new, so we have got the original build sheet. So if you want all the information in detail, we can supply that to you. If it's finance that you require, we've got some nice finance packages. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, send us an email, 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.